How many days left? Happy wedding day, Anna. We love you.
Who knows?
Most importantly, I promise to always be your partner in everything and your best friend. I cannot wait to grow old with you. Okay, Jason Route, I love you.
Lord, I pray a special prayer that you just help me and guide me and just be the husband that I need to be the spiritual leader of our home, and just help me to devote my life and my talents and treasures to her properly. And Lord, I just pray that you just help me to be the very best that I can be for her. And Lord, I just pray you bless our marriage and just help us to be the faithful couple that I know we're going to be, Lord.
Counting on it.
I'll be the first to introduce to you Mr. and Mrs. Trey.
As the world is in constant motion, you stay with me through the strange emotion. You and I, we will make it through. Close your eyes and dream, and feel the wind on the open highway. All I need is the breeze and your love. You know I'm counting on it. You know running. Stay with me, let it keep on coming. You and I need to hold on through. As the world is in a constant motion, you stay with me through the strange emotion. And you and I will make it through, yeah. Oh, you and I, we will make it through.